Creating a PayPal invoice is a straightforward process that allows businesses and individuals to request payment from clients and customers in a secure and efficient manner. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free on the PayPal website. First, log into your PayPal account and click on the Send and Request tab. Then select Create Invoice. You will be taken to a page where you can enter the invoice details, including the client's name, email address, and the items or services you are invoicing for. Next, add the items or services you are invoicing for, including the quantity, description, and price. You can also add tax and discounts if applicable. Make sure to include a clear and concise description of each item or service to avoid any confusion. Once you have added all the items, you can preview the invoice to ensure everything is correct. You can also add a payment term, such as due upon receipt or net 30 days. This will give the client a clear understanding of when the payment is due. After previewing the invoice, click on the Send button to send the invoice to the client. The client will receive an email with a link to the invoice, where they can view and pay the invoice online. You will also receive an email notification when the client views and pays the invoice. It is a good practice to keep a record of all invoices sent, including the date sent, the amount, and the status of the invoice. This will help you keep track of payments and follow up with clients who have not paid. You can also use PayPal to track the status of the invoice and send reminders to clients who have not paid. In addition to creating invoices, PayPal also offers a range of features to help you manage your invoices, including the ability to track payments, send reminders, and generate reports. By following these steps and using these features, you can create and manage PayPal invoices efficiently and effectively, and get paid faster by your clients.